I will demonstrate a side plank, no? That will actually hit the muscles on the side. So, you need to be on this side, like that. Yan. So, by holding this pose pa lang, in fact, nag-activate na yung mga abdominal muscles mo from the side and then also with your legs. So, ngayon, nahaluan mo na ng certain moves, like magro-rotate ka. So, exhale yun. Inhale. Exhale. That's called side plank. No, ngayon, yung isa naman, yung front plank, yan. Yun yung muscles na dinidevelop mo. Ang acronym niya is called TVA. Yun yung mga muscles mo na oriented horizontally in your body. So, yun yung parang natural belt. So, pwede mong hirapan by rolling forward, backward, forward, backward, or pwede mo iangat. Yan, that's further challenge. So, in fact, hindi lang abdominals yung sina-challenge mo. Whole body na siya. Yan yun, no? Okay. Tapos, pwede mo ring haluan ng moving na may abdominals. So, pwede ka mag-side lunge, oblique, side lunge, oblique. Or parang may inaabot ka there. Ganon. Yun. Ganon. So, pwede mong haluan ng sa front naman, on the side. So, hip, parang running. Tapos, pwedeng hips, straight leg, alternate knee, hip, knee, hip. So, ang exercise nun, pwede mong actually gawin na mga 8 to 12 repetitions, tapos mas maraming muscle groups na involved, much better. So, we have to work out our body as a whole para maiwasan natin yung mag-develop tayo ng muscle imbalance. So, ang masasabi ko lang, we are stronger sa whole than the sum of our parts. So, by working our whole body, magde-develop tayo ng better wellness, magde-develop tayo ng better fitness level, and eventually, mag-i-improve yung ating way of living and mag-i-improve yung ating lifestyle. So, please visit us on Fit and Advantage and Facebook. See you there!